This one is called the head reflex.
ហើយនេះគឺជាចិត្តចរនៅក្បាល
And it helps the children to put their head up straight.
គឺយើងត្រូវការដាក់ឲ្យក្បាលត្រង់ចឹងមក
And it helps them to keep their head straight when their body is moving in different directions. It helps them to keep focused on one thing even when their body is moving, like on a motor or on a car.
ជួយឲ្យក្បាលយើងឲ្យត្រង់ទៅជាគ្រប់កាយរបស់យើងនឹងកម្រើកចុះឡើងស្ដាំឆ្វេងទៅមុខទៅក្រោយក៏ដោយក្បាលក៏អាចមើលទៅមុខបាន
So you need a stool.
យើងត្រូវការតុអញ្ចឹងមក
And you need a TV.
យើងត្រូវការទូរទស្សន៍របស់អីមួយឲ្យគាត់មើល
And you put the TV on to a show that he can watch.
ហើយយើងអាចដាក់គាត់មើលអីមួយរឿងអីគាត់មើលចឹងទៅមើលដើម្បីឲ្យគាត់ត្រង់ទៅមុខមើលទៅមុខត្រង់
You want him to be looking at the TV all the time.
ចឹងយើងចង់ឲ្យគាត់មើលរហូតនៅអ្វីដែលឲ្យជួយឲ្យគាត់បានមើលទៅត្រង់
And you have to put it up kind of high so that it's straight with the eye.
ចឹងយើងដាក់របស់ហ្នឹងមើលហ្នឹងឲ្យខ្ពស់តិចមកដើម្បីឲ្យគាត់មើលទៅត្រង់ឃើញ
So you put him up on the stool.
ចឹងយើងដាក់ឲ្យគាត់អង្គុយលើតុខ្ពស់ចឹងទៅ
And I know he's easy to fall off, so that's why you keep him up against your body so he can't fall.
ហើយយើងដាក់គាត់ឲ្យផ្អែកឲ្យនឹងរូបកាយរបស់យើងចឹងមកដើម្បីកុំឲ្យគាត់ដួល
And then you're going to hold under his head. You're going to hold his head with your fingers behind your thumb behind his ear.
ហើយយើងដាក់ដៃទាំងសងខាងហ្នឹងនៅនឹងជារបស់គាត់មេដៃយើងហ្នឹង
And then your fingers under his chin.
ហើយយើងដាក់រៀបដៃយើងទាំង4ហ្នឹងសងខាងហ្នឹងនៅនឹងក្រោមចង្កាគាត់ចឹងមក
And you don't want your fingers up over his mouth like this.
កុំឲ្យដាក់ដៃឲ្យចឹង
You want it under his chin like this.
ដាក់ក្រោមចង្កាគាត់វិញ
And what you're going to do is you're going to move his body. You're going to use your body to move his body in different ways.
ចឹងយើងត្រូវប្រើខ្លួនកាយរបស់យើងហ្នឹងផ្អែកគាត់ទៅហើយយើងឲ្យគាត់កម្រើកចុះឡើងទៅក្រៅទៅជាហៀង
But you're going to keep his head straight all the time.
មិនថាយើងត្រូវការឲ្យក្បាលគាត់ត្រង់
Okay. So how you do this is first you have him watch the TV. Tell him to look at the TV all the time.
ចឹងដំបូងធ្វើមើលគាត់មើលត្រង់មើលទៅទូរទស្សន៍នោះគ្រប់ពេលវេលា
And you move his body to the right but keep his head straight.
ចឹងយើងរូបរាងកាយរបស់យើងនឹងរុញគាត់ទៅជាហៀង
By going round from one from both for 7 seconds.
ចឹងប្រាប់7សកុង
And then you make his body straight again for 10 seconds.
យើងទាញគាត់មកត្រង់វិញដដែលគ្រប់10សកុង
From 1, from both, from 5, from 4, dot. And you move his body to the other side.
ហើយយើងមកខាងពីមក
from 1, from both, from 5, from 4, dot. Then you make his body straight again.
ហើយចឹងយើងមើលដាក់គាត់ត្រង់ចឹងដែរមក
10 seconds. 1,
មើល10សកុង
from 1, from both, from 5, from 4, dot. Then move his body forward for 7 seconds. Head still straight.
យើងរុញគាត់មកមុខមក10សកុង
from 1, from both. 7 seconds, honey.
7សកុង
And then straight for 10 seconds.
ហើយមកក្រោយមក
By 4,
ក្រោយមក
from 1,
ទៅគ្នា
from 5, from 4, dot. And then let his body drop back, but his head still straight.
ហើយ
7 seconds.
ខ្នងគាត់មកក្រោយយ៉ាងមកបានក្បាលគាត់មកត្រង់ដែរ
5, 4, from 1, from both. And then straight again for 10 seconds.
ហើយយើងដាក់ដល់មុខត្រង់
from
10សកុងទៀត
from both, from 5, from 1, dot. That. So you go 7 seconds, 10 seconds, 7 seconds, 10. Okay, from 4 seconds, dot second, from 4 seconds, dot second, from 4 seconds, dot second, from 4 seconds, dot second.
Also in the middle យើងទាញមកកណ្ដាល10សកុងទៅមុខទៅជាហៀងទៅក្រោយ ទៅជាហៀងហ្នឹងគឺ7សកុង Yeah
Yep, and you do this 4 times.
យើងធ្វើទាំងអស់4ដង
Yep. 4
Okay.
times. 4 times. Each time you do it 4 times. All this way, 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 this way.
ចឹង
And
ធ្វើ
then do it again 4 more times.
ហ្នឹងហើយទាំងម្ដងហ្នឹងគេធ្វើឲ្យគ្រប់គឺទៅមុខទៅក្រោយទៅជាហៀងទៅជាហៀងមកត្រង់អញ្ចឹងណាបាទ
Okay, done.